Hello everyone, I'm Alex and today I'll show you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix corner shower basket, using the Start Cube version as an example to guide you. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Let's get started. An important note beforehand. The installation also applies to other colour variants. The package contains all the screws you need for the installation. By the way, having a look at the enclosed installation manual certainly doesn't hurt. To fix your new shower basket to the wall, you will need a spirit level, a hammer, a pencil, a folding ruler, a Phillips screwdriver and a drill with a 6mm masonry bit. Let's get started. First, think about where exactly you want the corner basket to be placed later. Once you've found a suitable place, clean it thoroughly. To mount the device, you will need both mounting plates. These can be mounted either on one side or the other, however there must always be two on the same side. Now mark the position. Here's a tip. First position the basket directly in the corner, and then mark the two notches of the two mounting plates on the wall. These must later have an exact distance of 55mm. Measure from centre to centre. Now draw a horizontal line along which you will later align the panels. Then draw two vertical lines at a distance of 55mm, using the spirit level to determine the exact position. Now slightly loosen the small Allen screws of the two holders and remove the mounting plates. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plates and stick them on. Now test the distance again. Perfect! Next, use the 6mm masonry bit to drill directly through the two outer holes of the mounting plate. Press in the dowels. Lightly screw in the screws and carefully tap them in with a hammer. Then tighten the screws. Finally, put the shower basket on the mounting plates and fix it with the small Allen screws. Done!